Okay, so sorry. Okay, so what we have done here, it's a native application. No, it's not. You can use Windchill on the Safari browser on the iPad. But here, PTC has developed a native application. You can start this application from an email. No, you receive a task approval. You click on the task approval. It's going to start the application. Okay, so let's start this application. So here I'm inside the Windchill mobile. I am on my home page, and my home page is synchronized with my home page on Windchill. So here you can see what I have seen last time I was connected to Windchill, my list of recently accessed objects. I have my list of tasks, what I need to do today. But first let's look, for example, at one of the objects. So I'm going to select this object, and I can find the information. So more information on this object, like the attribute that have been defined. I can look at which component is used for this object. Document. I have a document that has been attached to this object. You know, things that I have on the shop floor, and I want to check the tests that we have done. And I have now all the tests and result. But I think the most interesting thing is that I can look at it in 3D. So I can go to select my part and look at my 3D information. I can look at some internal components. So we are leveraging as much as possible the iPad interaction. You see I can rotate with my finger, I can zoom with 2 fingers, select a part, and I think the thing that people like was the shake and break. So if I shake, you see now, the part has exploded. It's interesting, it's fun, but for example, I was last June doing some tests with customers, and one of the first feedback we got was, can you give us an option to disable this? So it's nice. It can be interesting because it will allow you to see some parts who are inside your product. But otherwise, sometimes you move a little bit your iPad, and it's going to go back. I can also approve my task. So I'm going to go back to the home page, select one of my tasks, look at the instruction, and I can go to complete my task directly from my mobile device. So again, the idea is not to duplicate or replace Windchill on a desktop machine. It's to provide you access to the information that you have on Windchill while you are mobile. So let's go back on the more enhancement.